One of the things that we do is just start setting out our foodstuffs, trying to decide what we're going to take, and then we'll load it up into the camper. Even if it's going to be a short trip, we typically will load several things from the house into the camper. Do we always get everything we need?
Sometimes we have to go to the store.
But as we've often said, there's stores all over the place, right?
Yes, there's always stores all over the place. And that's kind of the beauty of being in your RV and traveling, is that no matter where you go, if you run out of something, it usually is not a very long trip to go to the store and just pick up what you need.
One thing about loading food into the refrigerator and freezer here in the RV is that you have to bump the slide out just a little bit to be able to get the refrigerator door open. But it doesn't have to go out very far. And when we bring it to our house and park it to load and unload, it does take a little bit of time to do that. But we try not to leave the door open too long because people are having to drive by. So it's just a case of open up the refrigerator, load the cold food in, load the stuff into the bottom for the freezer, and we are good to go. And as Sarah said, if we forget anything, there's always stores. You about ready to close everything up?
Yeah, I think so. I think we got everything. The only thing we got to get is O'Malley. He's still in the house.
Okay. Cat's the last thing that we usually load up because he doesn't like hanging out here while we're loading. Plus, we keep the door open while we're loading.
Yeah, he'll run away if the door's not closed, or if he can get outside, he's gone, and you can't catch him.
So after we got everything loaded up, we have to pull the slides in, make sure all the locks are in place on the doors, and unhook the power, and then we are out of here.
Yep, but where are we going?
We're headed to Orlando this weekend. We're going to a campground, one of the county campgrounds in Orange Park called Moss Park.
Yep, I've heard of that.
And the reason we're going up there this weekend is the Central Florida Fair is this weekend, and our granddaughter's showing in the fair. And so we're going to go stay a little bit closer. Still going to take us about 30 minutes to get to the fairgrounds from the campground, but it's better than driving all the way through Orlando traffic every day. The showmanship's tonight, the show is tomorrow night, and then awards are also tomorrow.
Okay, so we'll be over there all weekend, and we may do some other things besides just go to her fair. So, yeah.
All right, well, we'll just see. It's
Yep.
off for another adventure.
All right, let's go.
So Mackenzie, tell me a little bit about your pig. What can you tell me about it?